After opening infiniSee, the first thing you will have to do is to define your query molecule. You can drag and drop it in here, or you can open it via the load button in the toolbar. Use your favorite drawing tool to design your molecule and save it as SDF, mol, mol2, smiles or PDB. Just open it and you will find your molecule back in the query window. The next step will be to download the chemical spaces you want to search in. Click on the download button and you will be prompted to our website where you can find the spaces you need, like the galaxy space, the real space and the knowledge space. Download the desired chemical spaces and save them in your local folder. After downloading the chemical spaces, close the internet browser and go back to infiniSee, where you will have to load the chemical spaces you have just downloaded. Click on the load button, then open the real space and do the same for the knowledge space and the galaxy space. You can also generate your own space if you'd like. For this, take a look at biosopit.de/colibri. Press apply and close and now select the spaces you want to search in by clicking on the space button in the toolbar. You can always select or deselect any of the spaces you'd like. In case you forgot which spaces you have selected, you can find them back here. Click on the space button again to close this window and now open the parameter settings. These parameters will determine how your results will look like. For example, the number of results you want to obtain, or the target similarity, which will determine how similar your hits will be compared to your query molecule, or, for example, the minimum similarity, which serves as a cutoff. The fourth parameter is the total diversity, which determines how different your hits are going to be compared to each other. This option will only be available when the maximum number of results is set lower than 500. For this example, we will use the standard setting. Now we are ready to start the search by pressing the play button. Depending on the spaces and the parameters you have selected, search time will take a few minutes. We will crop the video here and continue when the search has finished. The hit molecules are listed in the results table here on the right side of infiniSee. Click on either of the entries and you will find the local matching similarities in the matching window here in the left down side. In this example we have found bacsildenafil, which of course has local similarities of all being 1. In case you're not satisfied with these results yet, there are a few options you can choose from, like for example changing the chemical spaces you have searched in. You could consider adding the knowledge space or your in-house chemical space you have developed using Colibri. Equally, you can change the parameters you have set, for example, playing with the target similarity, making this a little bit lower. Or you could consider changing the minimum similarity, having a lower cutoff, or even the total diversity. In addition to these standard settings, there's a third option you can choose from. You can select parts of the molecule which are important to you. Simply click on any of the atoms of your query molecule and change the similarity you would like to obtain. After having changed all these settings, just press the play button again. But now we're pretty happy with the hits we obtained, so we are ready to save them. First, uncheck all the hit molecules and then you're ready to check the molecules you'd like to save. Check the boxes in front of the hit molecules and do this for all the molecules you'd like to save. After having selected the desired hit molecules, we're almost ready to export these hit results and save them. But before doing so, we can select a few settings. For example, the way we would like to export our data. You might consider masking your query molecule, clicking this on or clicking this off. The second option is to generate coordinates of your hit molecules, for example, the 2D or 3D coordinates. Just apply and close and you're ready to save your molecules by pressing the save button here in the toolbar. Now save your hits as myhits.sdf and use any other tool for post-processing.